Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Jingjyllei jong ujingdi penbu at Drok hapo ka jela. Ka long shisha ka we nikimat ka balakta ya ka imlang ka saklang. Ha ka balala ban sakhiru ya ka jingkio jong ki kam sneo ha ka ni jela kat banang mi ikisngi. Ha ka sngi ka ba ka Mizo, Meche, Insui Kam, Paul, lane ka Mizo Women Federation. Ha ka lai photarik risaw arja arpusan. Ka penlong ya ka jingrak hedap arpusan snem kenti jong ka jingyai dinti jongka. Nakaliang kinong lum kubor ki liyo manekran bar ulaldu homa umintirang ba ka jela Mizoram Halor ki sinjam ki ba ka jela ka shim habe de bar ka nikamat ulaldu homa ula Pyntip ru ba ka jela ka dan ka security committee ka bala khli he da mau ka ba Khmih Bniah Halor Drok hak ba ula Pyntip ba ka long ka bayarap ban telakam ya uni ujing de ubasnio nalor kata ulo ang ru balik se ka jingdon kum ka ni ka committee kana banyarap ya ka jela Meghalaya.
This is drugs issue, and we know that when you were a police officer, you fought in a different way in Goa against drug mafia. So can you tell us how we can resolve this issue here?
We have established a security council, in which I am the chairman. We coordinate with the army, the Assam Rifles, the BSL, and the police department, excise department, and the NGOs. We all coordinated each other, and we have recovered so many drugs now, and the volume and trade itself is being reduced.
So what sort of a council you are saying? Security council?
Yeah, security council. Security committee.
In Mizoram?
Yeah.
What is the main agenda of this committee, sir?
It's just to get rid of this illegal trade of
So can
drugs.
you give us how does
How does it function?
what is the function, sir?
Previously they functioned separately without much coordination. Now we are functioning in a coordinated manner.
So the similar can
Similar,
be
yes, yeah.
similar can be emulated in Meghalaya. You have
Everywhere that can be liked.
so this is a coordinating body to address the.
Yeah.
So it will be also busting the syndicate
Yeah.
as well as providing help to the
Why
needy.
not? Why not? Yeah.
Coming here to one more question about railway. Shillong also is an area where is a transit state, and how it will benefit railway in this part of the region.
That I have told you that I can't speak on behalf of the people here. They have their own leaders. Let them decide.
So besides that, there has been a demand for
They have their own reason not to have a railway connection here.